It is that time of year again when we gather to launch the activities for festival, and this time it's Festival 2015.
The content and context of the activities of this year will not only commemorate our historic achievements and the movement into emancipation and independence, but it will also spur a sense of belonging to the nation and its successes. The celebrations will be diverse, appealing, and attractive to a wide cross-section of our society.
After so many years of sacrifice, harvest time now the fruits is ripe.
The National Church service will be on July 26 at the St. Diego de la Vega Cathedral at 10 a.m.
Don't come overnight. Yeah.
From Friday, July 31 to Thursday, August 6, 2015, a series of events and activities will be staged across the island. All parishes will have their Emancipation Vigil on the night of Friday, July 31. On Saturday, August 1, we mark Jamaica Day with the opening of the Independence Village at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. This will feature Jamaican food and our creative and nutritious meals, beverages, treats, and health offerings. Lunch hour concerts, a literary and film festival, a chat room and picnic fest are all features of the Independence Village. Hope Road from King's House Gate to Phoenix Avenue will be transformed into a bright and vibrant marketplace with Saturday market. Parking will be provided for shoppers at King's House. We bring in curry uptown. Sunday, August 2 is being designated as Family Day. This year, and Jamaican families are being encouraged to come together and share quality time. On August 6, the Grand Gala will come alive of the country's biggest celebrations with over 35,000 patrons. The Grand Gala event this year will unite the country in one major celebration of our theme. As usual, we look forward to the selection of the festival song for this year.
1962 Jamaica born, them I wonder how we young and so blessed. So me say Kalam Jamaica born, they haven't seen nothing yet. That's why me love my pretty little island, the place tourists come to eat stress. So welcome one, welcome all to me pretty little island of the greatest. Jamaica we little but we Calabar.
Yes, me neighbors drink cut down your tent. How them expect me to go left down your.
Give me baby sweet festival sound, and everybody come to town. Give me baby sweet festival sound, no nobody can take me down. The festival sound and the old men sound. Give me baby sweet festival sound.
When you see me, you see me ancestors. Me might look white, yes, but I'm still black. In the streets, them ask if a yellow man that jam rock full of star like that. Made in Jamaica by Jamaicans.
And our national festival queen.
Bless up, bless up.
The Jamaica Gospel Song Showcase and Finals are on August 2. Meligo Round and World Reggae Dance Championships on August 4 and 5. Public participation is also being sought through a wide range of initiatives that include window dressing competitions, working with JCC and the PSOJ, the Best Decorated Office Business Competition, the Media Competition of the Media House, which best demonstrates the spirit of independence, awards for the advertising agency that best utilize the independence theme, competitions among parish councils for the best decorated town, for independence, and the KSAC. We also have design and sale of independence, Jamaica 53 memorabilia through private merchants, and the best diaspora celebrations and competitions via social media.
Remember when we did have things and we say a colorful flash with a floral dash?
We will see the return of festival fashion under the theme Bandana with Denim, create the fashion rhythm.
You see this piece of cloth? It is no longer a piece of cloth. It is now called fabric. Because it gone in a society. Miss Denim married to Miss Bandana and things are going to go on.
Never forget my Jamaican shore. Let's open the door and welcome the poor. Show love to each other some more. I know we no nice like my Jamaica. No we no sweet like my Jamaica.
This is the right one. This is the original one. Over time, we lost touch with it, and sometimes we couldn't find it, and so some other designs came with a finer plaid. But if you're buying, try get this one. This is what really is our national.
The national then Mrs. McCann have your pants. They come, me bry out a barrel, go muggle, 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 muggle. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Culture 20 nuff.
We spend time in America and in Canada. No way to me like my Jamaica. Nowhere no nice like my Jamaica. Nowhere no sweet like my Jamaica. We spend time in America and in Canada. No way to me like my Jamaica. When me day a foreign hungry used to bust me shut. Now me there Jamaica, all of my things they fool me go. Like bread.
We're going to cook up a whole heap of fashion.
Melon and peanut. We have to give thanks to your land like this. No matter
Rural celebrations will happen concurrently through all parishes. The structure of events within the parishes will include the Thanksgiving services, the Emancipation vigils, the sounds of drums, the festival bandwagon, the Independence Day flag raising ceremony, Independence Day stage shows, and street dances.
nowhere no sweet like my Jamaica. We spend time in America and in Canada.
Each community and rural township is expected to come alive. We're expecting to see town squares and villages, plazas and public parks colorfully decorated. We encourage business places and offices to be draped and decorated in the national colors to support our theme this year. I urge all of you to come out and feel the festival.
I know we no nice like my Jamaica.